I'm going to add a little hold open device to my cargo door back here. It's a door that gives me access to a storage tray underneath the door. This is the one cargo door that is the most annoying to deal with due to it not having any kind of a hold open device. It's a little tricky to operate the lever and slide the door open. You can do it one-handed, but it kind of pokes on my fingers a little bit operating that lever because it's a fairly stiff spring tension. Anyway, what I usually end up doing is resting that door on my head, operate the lever with one hand and pull open on the other. So I've got two magnets here. They're specifically meant for this application. And we can't really put it on the frame of the door, which is what RV manufacturers do from the factory now, because then it rests, it actually would attach to this frame, and that's plastic. We could do there on the side, but it's a little bit too low because we don't want it attached to that, we want it up here. But if we put it all the way up there, then you can see it kind of comes up off the frame a little bit. So I think I'll attach it somewhere over here. I've got a bottle of rubbing alcohol and a little towel here to prep my surface. Still not really sure where I'm going to mount it, so I'm just going to clean a big area. Yeah, we can't put it at the bottom. You have to put it right about there. Shove it over to one side more. Or we could do like this. It's just big enough to fit. Or I should say just small enough to fit there. But doing that, our magnets are going to be separated at an angle. And probably about like that. So I think I'm going to do it just like this. So what I'll do is peel off this backing. I'm just going to peel off one side right now. And kind of play with my positioning. Go. These come with screws. I'm going to try this double-backed foam sticky tape from 3M and see how that holds up. I'm just not too keen on drilling holes in the body of the truck camper. This is the same material that vent visor uses to attach vent visors to vehicle doors or window frames above your door windows. So it should hold up just fine in this application as well. So next we'll stick the magnet to the other magnet and make sure that it stays lined up vertically. Once we make contact, I'll just pull the magnet away from the other magnet and stick it to the door. So the reason I decided to mount it vertically is it's less likely to get caught by a shoe coming in or out of the door. And that's also why I mounted it over on this side. I have my torque lift glow steps offset to one side. The reason for that is because I always use a trailer. And I have another set of these magnets that I would like to install. Even though the magnets are mounted, or I should say, even though they don't make full contact with each other, they still have plenty of holding power. That kind of shows how they contact each other, and it looks like my door magnet slid up just a little bit when I attached it.